Today on Ridge Roamer, we are in my Jeep Gladiator, and we are going to try out this smart AI box, wireless, basically set up so that you can do wireless CarPlay and also have access to supposedly Netflix, YouTube, stuff like that. So we'll go ahead and open the box here. Instructions. Here's the box itself. A USB-C and a micro SD card slot. And then USB to USB-C cord and C to C cord. So I'll take a look on the media here. We'll go ahead and use the C to C. Plug this in to the box and plug it in to the Jeep. I'm just gonna stick it right there for now. Did have lights come on. It immediately recognizes the smart AI box. Alright. Restart to screen calibration. Okay. So we'll just restart both the box and the power. Bluetooth. We'll go ahead see what we've got. Smart AI box shows up right there at the bottom. We'll pair. Our Bluetooth is connected. Allow. There we go. Now I'm wireless in the Gladiator and have the same CarPlay that the Gladiator comes equipped with normally. So if you want to have that capability to keep your phone not connected to the Jeep with the physical cord, but still have CarPlay, here is your solution. This is one car stereo. It's their smart AI box. Very easy setup. Literally plug it in just like you would your phone. Go through a quick setup. And now we've got all our nav and music and everything else that exactly the same way you're used to with the wired CarPlay. You've got capability to control music and everything in their own interface. You can do your own telephone. Just look through all the apps here. Netflix. So you can sign into your Netflix account as long as you've got Wi-Fi, which you can use your phone as a hotspot and connect and be able to play Netflix. Same with YouTube. You can put music and video files directly on the micro SD card if you want to run all of that through here. Or you've got your YouTube, Netflix. Again, all of this will power up and work just like on your computer. I just don't have the Wi-Fi connected at the moment. Well, nor am I signed in on here, but it is full capability to do all that. Go directly back to the car. Back here. Hit speed play. Connects by Bluetooth. Or right back into the CarPlay. Easy enough. Very happy with that. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to check this out. That link actually should have a discount code as well. So if you want to save a little bit of money, get this capability. Super easy. Highly recommend it. Hope you all have a great day. Drive safe.